We have Handsome Prince draws for your lead, running by the rail is the stablemate. King of Reality, Marinx is racing in third. Then moving up by the rail is Yankee 3 River Mist, while Lady Leisure is the tail ender. Heading towards the half-mile pole for a Handsome Prince leading the field. King of Reality is running in second, racing now in third, Yankee 3. Marinx shuffle back in fourth, racing in fifth is River Mist, and a long way back to Lady Leisure. Riding at a 600 for a Handsome Prince and for King of Reality. The couple entries still in a 1-2 position as they round towards the 450. Handsome Prince still leading the field over King of Reality. River Mist moving up by the rail, then moving up party outside is Marinx. Handsome Prince, King of Reality is River Mist by the rail. It's still Handsome Prince, River Mist is sorry outside. Marinx, King of Reality. Handsome Prince, River Mist moving up to grab the lead. Now we have River Mist takes the lead, and finally it's going to be River Mist. Then comes Marinx for a Handsome Prince, King of Reality. Lady